Action. Hi, today we're going to show you our healed model 261 rotary grinder with a 18-inch chuck. All right, turn it on, Dave. We had the handle engaged, so it will start moving. And we're doing a feed. Are you doing any down feed on this one? Alright. Are we doing it every time? Every time we're feeding down. We disassembled the machine and cleaned everything. Here's a close-up of the ways. All smooth, clean, pretty, no rust, no scoring. Magnetic chuck works fine. Stops work fine. The adjustment for the stops works okay. Down in here, everything works very good. How far do we have till zero? Oh, we got a ways to go. Well, I don't want to bore you with the movie of this grinding all day down to zero. Walk around the machine here a little bit for you. Feeding. All your handles, everything works as it should. We do not have a wheel on it because I don't have a wheel. There's the dresser. I had to take the dresser apart and fix a few things in there to get that to work with the micrometer feed. You have another dressing mode with different stops. Down there for that. Okay, thank you for viewing.